Hi MicroStation users, it's Susan Goodrich here with another tip on AccuDraw shortcuts. Today we're going to do RA in the 3D environment. Currently I have 4 views in third angle projection. I have top, front, right, and ISO. What you'll notice is that the building is not aligned to the drawing's X and Y axis. In fact, I call this building 3D, not north. So what I want to do is show you a tip on how you can use RA and a couple of the short other locks to make your views work a little better for you. So here I'm going to use the RA shortcut, and I'm going to define 3 points that are going to be on the first floor. And I'm actually just snapping to these points. I'm using an N shortcut as well to access the nearest snap lock. So what that has done is that's actually created an auxiliary coordinate system. If I open up the auxiliary coordinate system window, you'll see that it is one set. I'm just going to apply this to all, set it to all the views. Then what I'm going to do is with my keyboard focus in the AccuDraw window, I am going to key in LA, which is going to turn on, or toggle, I should say, the ACS plane lock. What that will do now that it's on is that when I set my rotation of my view to top, it's actually going to align it properly to the building's axis, because that's what I've actually aligned my compass to, is the building's true axis. And of course in this view, if I set it to isometric, you'll actually see now it's a true isometric. I can also toggle that same thing off, so I can also do LA once again to toggle it off, and when I do that, now when I go back to the top rotation, it will return it back to the true top. So I'm going to again turn it back on, again LA, and reset this back to top view. So you can see that the LA shortcut affects the view rotation. But another fun thing that the AccuDraw shortcut does is that it allows me to draw on a particular axis, or on, well, it lets me draw on that axis. So there's another shortcut, it's called LS, and what that will do is it will lock the ACS plane snap lock, or it will toggle it, I should say, so LS. And what that means is that no matter what I snap to, it's actually going to be drawing it on the first floor, because that is the plane that I chose to draw on. So it doesn't matter what I snap to. So even in the top view, if I happen to snap to something that's at the top of the stairs here, as I'm drawing, what it's really doing is it's actually drawing, you're going to see this, it's drawing it on the first floor. You can actually see it in the front view here. Okay? So it's actually anchored that element to the first floor. So no matter where I draw, whether it's in this view, or in this view, or in this view, it's actually going to draw that locked to the first floor, no matter what I snap to. So it's actually keeping me locked to that. It's that elevation. It is the old, if you're familiar with the old depth lock, or we used to call it the depth lock, since it's very hard to move to another elevation, or if I wanted to try and reset my auxiliary coordinate system to the second view or second floor, just make sure that you do another LS to toggle that ACS plane snap lock off, so that you can actually move your cursor to another level. Anyways, we take a look at that in our 3D training, so if you're interested in taking another closer look at this, please connect with us and we can provide you some training and some little tips on how to really get around a drawing more efficiently. Anyway, hope that was helpful. So we were using the AccuDraw shortcut RA to set your alignment. We used LS to set your ACS plane snap lock, and LA to lock the ACS plane lock, which assists with the view rotation. Anyways, hope you got some value out of this little video. And take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.